to say thanks to God who has given us a great opportunity so that we can gather in this lovely place to have a great event. Grade 5 exhibition!
Our parents and audience let us,
Angela,
and me, Kezia, guide the event today.
before we continue the show, let us first pray according to our respective roles. Dear our parents, our teachers, and our friends. Before we continue our show, let's pray. Hands together, close our eyes. Dear God, thank you for this beautiful morning. Now we want to continue our show. Please bless us in our show. Amen. Finish.
Before we get to the main show, let's listen to the speech our beloved principal. Please welcome Miss Susi Apriandi. Thanks for our presentation.
Baik, selamat pagi semuanya. Puji Tuhan hari ini kita bisa berkumpul, cuacanya cerah ya, karena semalam agak-agak gerimis tuh. Khawatirnya kalau hujan, orang tuanya nggak bisa hadir. Bersyukur Tuhan kasih cuaca yang cerah, juga kesehatan buat anak-anak, semuanya sehat ya? Sehat sehingga bisa melakukan kegiatan exhibition pada pagi hari ini. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh orang tua, bapak, ibu, mama, papa semua yang telah mensupport, mendukung kegiatan ini baik secara material ataupun support secara semangat kepada anak-anak dan guru. Bukan persiapan yang mudah untuk menampilkan acara ini. Mungkin nanti show-nya cuma beberapa menit, tapi mereka persiapannya luar biasa. Tadi the first performance-nya, pembukaan, opening itu Bapak Ibu bisa lihat, kita aja yang dewasa nggak mudah loh ya menyelaraskan gerakan, tapi anak-anak dengan segala macam keruatannya mereka belajar. Nah ini sebenarnya kegiatan ini kita harapkan anak-anak belajar bagaimana mereka bekerja sama dengan teman-temannya, menurunkan egonya untuk mendengarkan, menghargai pendapat temannya. Karena pasti pada saat latihan tuh ada tuh, kamu begini, kamu begitu, berantem-berantemnya nggak bisa. Nah, jadi disitulah mereka sebenarnya proses belajar yang utama. Akademis utama, penting, tapi lebih penting lagi adalah karakter Bapak Ibu. Sepintar apapun putra putri kita kalau tidak dibarengi dengan karakter atau akhlak yang baik, itu semua tidak ada manfaatnya di masa depan mereka. Jadi terima kasih sekali lagi kepada orang tua atas dukungannya kepada anak-anak. Bukan hanya kegiatan ini, tapi saya bisa rasakan dari mulai kelas 1 orang tua, parents dari SD Surya Bangsa itu luar biasa. Semuanya kerjasamanya keren gitu. Jadi pada kesempatan ini izinkan saya untuk mengucapkan banyak terima kasih. Biar kiranya kegiatan hari ini bisa memberikan kita sukacita semua. Kalau saya lihat sih semuanya senyum ya, nggak ada yang cemberut ya, anak-anak juga excited sekali. Jadi saya tidak bisa panjang lebar, dan karena saya juga tidak bisa melihat sampai akhir ya anak-anak, mohon maaf karena kami ada kegiatan imunisasi, saya harus mengawasi langsung kegiatan tersebut. Jadi selamat melakukan performance, berikan yang terbaik, dan yuk kita beri tepuk tangan buat anak-anak kita. Luar biasa. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Miss Lucy, for your encouragement and support. Hopefully, our event will run smoothly as expected.
Alright, without further ado, let's continue our show today. Are you ready?
Grade 5 exhibition! Creativity means nationality starts to be a dignity.
There will be a magic show from Queen and Ayuna.
prove it to you. So first of all, we need a big measuring cup and a small one. And also make sure the small measuring cup can fit into the big measuring cup. And we also need pencil and oil. So first of all, we need the big measuring cup. We put it in, and we put some oil in it. I only put it in the half. You can still see the small measuring cup. Guys, look, I can make this small measuring cup invisible. And I have this straight pencil. When I put it in, it looked like it was bent. But when I take it out again, it wasn't bent anymore.
Okay. I'm gonna cut you off right there. First of all, that is not magic. That's obviously science. Right, guys? Yes! Even the audience itself said it's science.
What do you mean, science? Of course it's a magic.
Well, first of all, it's obviously science. It's because of refraction. Refraction is when light slows down and bends when it goes through material. And different material bend light differently. Just like the pencil looks offset in the glass of oil. But glass and oil have the same index of refraction. That means they bend light the same way. That's why it turned invisible. Do you understand it now, Ayuna?
Oh, I understand it now.
Thank you!
Wow! That's amazing! So in terms of the magic, can we explain scientifically?
Yes, audience, we can wait for the next performance.
Let us watch the performance by our friends. Musicalization of Akrasik Putri, Negaraku Indonesia.
Nggak kelihatan tau dan
what it is.
For starters, an ecosystem is a system formed by a set of organisms, the physical environment in which they live, and the relationships between living organisms and the physical space established between them. The species of living beings that inhabit a given ecosystem interact with each other and with the environment.
There are other types of ecosystems, such as terrestrial ecosystem and the aquatic ecosystem. But there are only two main ecosystems. The aquatic ecosystem is subclassified into two types based on salt content. Now, what are they? The first one, terrestrial ecosystem. The terrestrial ecosystem is related to land. For example, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystems, and desert ecosystems. The second one is the aquatic ecosystem. This ecosystem is related to water, as I said, there are types. The first one is the freshwater ecosystem. The freshwater ecosystem also contains two types of it. The running water ecosystem, for example, rivers and streams, and there is the standing water ecosystems, ponds and lakes. The other type of the aquatic ecosystem is the marine ecosystem, for example, seas and seashores.
You can define an ecosystem by its characteristics. An ecosystem characteristics are community of living organisms and their environment, biogeochemical cycles regulate nutrient flows, interactions among species in trophic networks dependent on immune factors such as climate dynamic changes over time and an energy cycle through the food chain, self-regulation and balance among components. Species diversity contributes to stability, flows of energy and matter among components, vulnerable to environmental changes and disturbances.
Now, what is a food?
A food chain or trophic chain is a sequence of organisms in an ecosystem, each serving as a source of nutrients for the next. It begins with primary producers, which is plants or algae, converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Decomposers break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil. Types of food chain. On the basis of choice habitat food chains are of two types, terrestrial food chain and aquatic food chain.
Like we said, there are other ecosystems because there are different ecosystems and because there are food chain in each types of ecosystem. Aquatic food chain. Aquatic food chain show organisms found in water habitats such as ponds, marshes, swamps, and rivers.
Terrestrial food chain. Terrestrial food chain are organisms found on land, such as deserts, grasslands, and forests.
The food chain. The knowledge of the food chain helps us understand the feeding relations as well as the interaction between organisms and ecosystems.
Importance of the food chain. The importance of the food chain lies in the transfer of nutrients from one level to another for maintaining the balance of ecosystem. All organisms depend on others for their survival, which means that the existence of a certain group of living beings keeps other species alive.
Remember, each ecosystem are
are complex and vitally important. Let's hold peace and keep this in mind and treat the environment and ecosystems with care.
Thank you for listening. We hope you learn from your mistakes and realize what most of you guys are doing are suffering the environment.
For now, all we can say is take care.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Apa?
glass, some water, some oil, some food coloring, and a tablet of Alka-Seltzer or not CDR. And how to do this experiment is first pour some water into the glass, then drop some food coloring in it, then stir it, and then mix it until like this. And after that, pour some oil in it and make sure the oil is more than the water. And after that, pour some. And after that, put a tablet of Alka-Seltzer in it, and then let's see. Look! The bubble in the glass. So beautiful. And how is it happening? It happens because when we pour some water and some oil and some food coloring in it, and then pour some tablet
name is Bangga.
My name is Darul.
We now turn to presentation of light. Definition of light is electromagnetic radiation within a certain portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. The word usually refers to visible light, which is visible to the human and is responsible for the sense of sight. The sun produces light and that light bounces off objects into our eyes. This makes it so that we can see things. Both the brain can interpret that light and tell us what's out there. As source of light energy, this is not only a source of, we can say, sun, and this is artificial light source, or we can say lamp.
Artificial light source. Artificial light sources are man-made. They include candles, lamps, and matches. Uses of light energy. See, light helps us see objects and navigate our surrounding. Energy. Light can be converted into electricity through solar panel. Communication. Light is used in technologies like laser for communication and data transmission.
How I move? I travel in a straight line called rays. When an object blocks the path of the light, it creates shadows. Light bend when light off. Light can also bend when passing through different materials, which is called refraction. Characteristic of light energy: travel in straight line, can be reflected, reflected, or absorbed, can be produced by neural source like the sun or artificial source like
Reflection of light. Reflection is the bending of light as it passes from one material into another. Example, when light passes through water, it appears to bend. Experiment. Place a pencil in a glass of water and observe how it appears bent. Absorption of light. Definition. Absorption happens when light is taken by an object instead of being reflected or transmitted through it. Example, dark color objects absorb more light than light color objects. Experiment, compare how different colored papers absorb light.
Thank you.
Great presentation, friends!
The next performance, name is Gagap dan Tigulu.
Enjoy the perform!
Yang benar. Ayo coba lagi. Assalamu. Ya udah deh, aku aja duluan deh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Begitu, salam dari kelas. Coba kamu coba lagi. Salam yang benar. Salam yang jelas. Salam nggak boleh gagal. Salam duluan udah. Iya sorry. Salam duluan. Assalamualaikum. Nah itu bisa. Kalong. Bukan. Kami. Oh. Grade 5. Mau presentasi. Oh, yakin? Iya dong. Kapan selesainya kalau ngomongnya begitu? Aman dari mana? Ini kita panggil aja yuk teman kita. Ayo. Mau kemana, kita panggil aja dari sini. Tarawih. Kalian tahu nggak? Aku di sini sama teman aku tahu. Namanya Rolas, itu orangnya.
Katanya sih mau bantuin kita presentasi. Coba kita panggilin nih orangnya.
Rolas.
Rolas, sini dulu. Salam ke Ikari, kalian dan para hadirin.
Tarik nafas. Selamat pagi semuanya.
Wow, selamat. Teman-teman, jadi kita ada presentasi apa nih? Capung.
Bukan cacing. Bukan cahaya.
Oh, cahaya. Mending kita suruh Rolas aja untuk mulai presentasinya. Ayo.
Baik. Hadirin semuanya, sifat sahabat cahaya di antaranya satu
Menembus. Benda. Cahaya yang dapat menembus benda bening. Terus masih ada lagi nggak?
dapat dijual, dapat dibiaskan.
Oh, masih ada lagi nggak?
Masih dapat dipatukan.
Oh, masih ada lagi nggak?
Dapat berambat lurus.
Oh, segitu aja. Teman-teman, kayaknya presentasi kita hari ini cukup deh. Mestinya udah tutup deh dengan salam alif.
Oke. Kalian yakin mau minta kalian yang tutup?
Ya udah deh, kalian aja berdua.
Tutup bareng aja yuk.
Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Sampai jumpa.
put the current water to the clear water, the color will go. And the red one is a bit long. And the yellow one is just a bit.
Wait, did you guys believe it's a magic? Well, I'm going to show you. This is not a magic trick. This is a science trick. The key is in here. Use chemical water and use mineral water with the small one, not with the big one. And use color to like this. And look, the color of the water is disappeared. Thank you.
Teacher in the A. Scissors, red, cardboard, and marker.
How to make it? First, we got the cardboard box and make it a cylinder from it, like this. Then, use the transparent tape to cover the top of cylinder. And then, we color the tape with these colorful markers. You can draw as you want. If you are not, turn the flashlight and press the cylinder from the bottom. And ta-da! Look! It's beautiful, right? And now we have the light flash through the goes anyway. Try time and scissors and make markers and make the color markers. That's from us. Thank you. Thank you.
Loh, Sadam, kamu kok ngerjain PR di sekolah? Shh, kamu diam deh. Ih, kamu curang. Harusnya kan PR kerjainnya di rumah. Lihat.
Iya, kamu curang kan harusnya PR kerjanya di rumah, bukan di sekolah. Nanti aku bilangin Miss kalian.
Kalian tuh suka.
Miss, kamu.
Good morning, children. Morning, Miss Karin. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. It is so nice to meet you Sudah, tidak boleh begitu, Sadam. Ya sudah, Miss berikan waktu 15 menit untuk kalian baca buku IPAS-nya materi ekosistem ya.
Halaman berapa, Miss? Nanti kalau nanti tanya jawab atau kita tulis, Miss. Kalau jawabannya salah, gimana, Miss? Ya, Miss, gimana, Miss? Iya, Miss, gimana?
Waduh, banyak banget sih pertanyaan kamu sih. Miss Karin bingung deh pasti.
Aku lihat-lihat kamu panik banget sih. Slow aja, share, slow. Kayak aku dong, jagoan. Hadapi aja sih.
Jagoan tapi kecoa.
Yang paling enak, berasa paling jago. sudah cukup ya berduelnya. Sekarang baca buku kalian dari halaman 89 sampai 100. Pahami betul materinya. Nah, selama kalian membaca, Miss ada urusan sebentar di bawah. Kalian baca yang baik ya, supaya bisa jawab kuis nanti. Dadah.
Adam, why do you keep staring at Sherina? Enggak kok. I'm going to from the beginning. You like Sherina, don't you? Enggak kok. Dia tuh so cantik, so pintar, so jagoan lagi.
Sadam, ya nih, kamu suka ya sama Sherina? Jujur aja, Sadam.
Kamu udah bilang kalau aku gak suka sama Sherina.
Kalian nih yang suka-suka lagi. Udah, kita kan masih kecil. Adam, kok kamu jahat sih? Ucapan kamu tuh bikin Sherina jadi sedih tahu. Sudah, kita kan saling berteman, jangan kata-kata lagi ya. Mari kembali ke kelas. Ada apa ini? Kok seperti ini kalian?
Setelah salah satu siswa menceritakan hal yang terjadi, Miss Karin memberikan suatu nasihat.
Tadi salah satu teman kalian sudah menceritakan apa yang terjadi di kelas. Apa yang kalian lakukan tadi itu termasuk tindakan bullying. Please stop bullying to everyone. Jangan menjadi pelaku atau penonton dalam tindakan bullying. Mulai dari diri sendiri, kita hentikan bullying. Ayo teman-teman, kita maaf-maafan. Nah, itu kan baik. Setiap manusia di dunia pasti punya
see you at the next year's exhibition. Here come Elle, Sharon, and
Kala nanti badai kan datang, angin akan buat kau goyah. Maafkan, hidup memang ingin kau lebih kuat. Andaikan saat ini datang, kami tak ada menemani. Aku ingin kau mendengar nyanyianku di sini. Demi sedikit engkau akan berteman pahit luar dan rasa jadilah namaku. Ingatlah semuanya akan tersiar. Usah kau takut pada keras dunia. Akhirnya akan ada akhir. Doaku akan kau selalu arungi. Hidup berbalut senyum nanti. Doaku akan kau selalu bahagia. Bukan sekadar ada, aku ingin kau mendengarnya. Dengan hatiku bukan telinga. Saat ini bukan sekadar maksudnya telah menjadi makna. Ungkapkan cintaku dari hati. Ungkapkan cintaku dari hati.
Yay, what a wonderful performance, guys! Oke, mari kita bersiap untuk berfoto grade 5A and 5B. Parents mohon untuk tidak meninggalkan tempat terlebih dahulu, karena nanti kita akan mengambil foto bersama anak-anak. Oke, kita tunggu, sedang ada yang ke toilet. Kita menunggu teman dulu ya. Sebentar, masih ada yang belum hadir di tempat, Miss Nerly. Sedang ada yang ke toilet, ya.